Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we'll guide you through the steps how to restore your PC to an earlier time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Start menu or pressing the Windows key. Then type Restore. From the search results, click on Create a Restore Point. Step 2. In the System Properties window that appears, navigate to the System Protection tab. Here, click on the System Restore button to launch the System Restore Wizard. Step 3. The System Restore Wizard starts with a welcome page providing a brief overview of the process. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. On the next page, you'll see the available restore points. By default, you'll likely only see the most recent automatic weekly restore point and any manual restore points you've created. To view more options, select Show More Restore Points. Step 5. Now, select the specific restore point you want to use. Usually the most recent working one is recommended. Click Scan for affected programs to check which applications and drivers will be affected by the restoration. System Restore will display two lists: programs and drivers to be deleted, and those that might be restored. Review these lists carefully. Once ready, select your desired restore point and click Next. You can skip the scanning step, but it's advisable to review the impact beforehand. Confirm your selection on the following screen. Ensure the correct restore point is chosen, then click Finish. System Restore notifies you that the process cannot be interrupted once started. Click Yes to begin. Windows will restart and initiate the restore process, which may take some time to complete. Please be patient as System Restore reinstates your system files. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.